Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. A Falcon 9 rocket has successfully put Intelsat IS-40e, a heavy telecommunications satellite, into its target orbit, as SpaceX announced. The Intelsat satellite will provide communications services in North and Central America. The rocket was launched on April 7 from the Cape Canaveral Launch Complex in Florida. The satellite was placed in orbit approximately 33 minutes after rocket takeoff. The Intelsat IS-40e spacecraft, which weighed about 7 tons, was developed by Maxar Technologies. Its estimated life period is 15 years. Intelsat currently has an orbital constellation of 52 geostationary communications satellites. The Intelsat IS-40e also carries NASA's TEMPO scientific instrument to monitor air quality in North America. It will monitor pollutants at a resolution of 4 square miles over an area stretching from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific and from central Canada to Mexico City. This dishwasher-sized instrument was carried by Ball Aerospace. TEMPO will monitor mainly 3 major pollutants: nitrogen dioxide, formaldehyde, and ozone. Nitrogen dioxide is a harmful gas released during fuel combustion that can cause breathing difficulties. Formaldehyde has health effects ranging from eye irritation to cancer. And while ozone in the high atmosphere protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, ozone at ground level is a major component of smoke, and it's harmful to vegetation and human health. The instrument will measure sunlight reflected from the Earth's surface as well as from gases and particles in the atmosphere. Because different gases have unique spectra, scientists can study the wavelengths of light absorbed and determine the nature and amount of gases in the atmosphere. NASA scientists have been measuring air pollution using satellites in low Earth orbit for about 2 decades. But these satellites observe most places on the planet once a day. TEMPO will operate in geostationary orbit. This orbit, combined with the satellite's location in the Western Hemisphere, will allow the instrument to focus on North America, scanning it from the east coast to the west coast and providing detailed measurements of entire continent during daylight hours. A few minutes after launch, the first reusable stage of the Falcon 9 rocket, which was used for the first time, made a controlled vertical landing on a floating platform in the Atlantic Ocean. Space Daily News. Like, share and subscribe.